Hello, my viewers. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Neelam, and you're watching Neelam's Lifestyle. Today, I'm taking you with me at my local Dollarama, and I find so many beautiful items in beauty aisle, in kids aisle, stockings, and toys, plush toys, legging. How you can make up any budget basket for the Christmas, and I found so many nice stuff like these brushes, and they have a really nice nails, and even I find the lipstick for $3, and these all liquid lipstick set for $5. I also bought a pore cleaner from here, really nice. I already have these rollers, skin roller, and they're so nice, all $5, and I find really nice stuff. These cleanser, toner, and vitamin C serum. Even I didn't use that one, but I think it's really all brand name. These sheet mask, I'm always a big fan of their beauty aisle. They have so much nice stuff like this heel cracking cream, and I always buy my sponges, puffs from here because they're really affordable. And these all cotton balls and the cotton puffs, pads, I really love it. I'm really big fan of that. I always decorate my home, my bathroom with this. They have a tons of really nice selection in Christmas bags from $1.75 to $2. And these cute gnome ornaments, hanging ornaments for your tree. And this year actually they have a really nice selection, so you should check. It's not a sponsor, you can check your Dollarama. And I always love these skates. I already have this one, so soon I'm going to share my Christmas decorating video with you guys. So then I'm going to show you how I use these decoration at my Christmas tree. I always, the trick is when you go with the Dollarama stuff, if you go with the one theme, it looks more expensive. And these tree toppers, I can't believe it, it's just $4 or $5. It's just for $2.75. Such a steal price. And these hanging rings, I find this snow blanket, I already have it, and there is a tons of selection in ribbons. So I already have the ribbon. I got one mine from Home Sense because it's a really big ribbon, I mean in length, but these are not bad also. 9 foot and 6 foot for $2 and $1.75. You can't go wrong with this. So I check actually one by one all the aisles, and I'm so surprised. This year actually they have a really nice stuff than the last year. Every time I go and check what's new, and the bows are awesome. This year the Christmas theme is actually maroon Christmas bow or the green one, so they have a tons of selection. I check all the Christmas bags, and then these cute ornaments, it's I think really good for DIYs. 2 for $2 and 4 for $3.50. I really want to do some DIY project with this. I like these paper ornaments, they're so cute, and I really like the shape, so you can hang. And these are the basket fillers they have. I already bought the basket filler from here when you make your Christmas basket, and these cute little Christmas boxes. And these $5 light you can add on your window. And these ornament storage, these cute little nutcrackers, $4.25. Really nice price. So you can have an affordable Christmas, and you can spend less but have a more impact. I really like the floral this year actually. So I checked the floral section because I was especially over there, and I got my gingerbread house from here. And these cute stocking holders, you name it and they have it. This year actually they have the tapper candles. I also find these cushion covers. I really like it. It's cotton. I think prints are so cute, so you can even add in your outdoor area. And I love these doorbells. So when it's not a heavy traffic area, you can add this bell, and every time you open the door, it's always have a really nice sound. I already have it. And these cute skating shoes, one of my favorite. And this is stocking. I really like them. It's really nice, fun, loving, and you can give to your teacher, or if you have a party, the kid party, you can put a little goodies in this one. I think really nice idea. They always have a really nice price. Candy canes. I bought, actually every time I got my hair accessories from here. I mean the brushes and these plush toy. I got few for my dog. He'll love it, which I'm gonna show you in my next video. These are all very cute, from $2, $3, $4, depending on size and the character. They're so cute. My dog is actually love plush toys. And these ornaments, I really like the bigger ones. It was I think $4, and this bell actually for this size $1.50. For this big size bell, I think it's pretty good. So if you like the video so far, give me thumbs up, subscribe the channel, because I always share my home decorating or the season decorating video with you guys, like these cute Christmas trees, table toppers, and these reindeers, all under $5. And this art, I got the Marlon Monroe picture from here for $5. And these cute laundry signs. So if you want to decorate your laundry or your kitchen area, this is really happy DIY aisle. If you love to DIYs, I think this is the aisle for you. Always really cute stuff. I'm surprised with these vaporizer. You can add essential oil, and it's just under $5. You can beat that price. And I bought these tassels for my curtains last video, which I show you already. And this is for your kitchen DIYs. If you want to do a little uplift your kitchen or your bathroom area and you are in the rental, I think this is the best way to go. And these florals, oh my god, it was $3 per piece. And this real feel greenery, I really love these ones. So I got 3 for my entryway decor, and this one was $5. I think really nice price. So tell me which one you like for your home and which you have a plan to buy. And did you go to the Dollarama or Dollar Tree for your Christmas decor? Because sometimes they have a really nice, amazing stuff. I check every aisle, and these cute little candy cane, I think it really looks nice on the entryway. So I got this one for my entryway ways.